Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Disconnect the mass airflow sensor and push out the red lock so it unlocks, and push in on the black tab and then pull it straight off, and you put that aside. We're gonna use a long extension, a ratchet, and a T20 Torx bit. You could also use a T20 Torx driver. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You'll have to remove all these Torx bits to remove the airbox cover. They are not captured in the plastic, so you want to be careful not to drop them. So I'm going to loosen them up. And as they get close to being loose, I'm going to reach down and grab onto it so I don't drop it. And I'll put those aside. So just repeat this for all of them. I'm going to loosen this clamp so I can take the airbox cover off the intake duct. You can use a flat bladed screwdriver or an 8mm socket. You don't have to remove the clamp fully, just loosen it. That should be perfect. You can pull the hose back, separate it from the airbox cover. Now the airbox cover can lift up and out. I'll put that out of the way. There's the air filter. It just sits in the airbox. It can only go in one way. It's going to line up with the box, the shape of it. It'll sit right on top there. Take the air box. I'm going to turn the cap just so the hinge part is out of my way. And we're going to maneuver this down into place. Watch the mass airflow sensor connector. Actually, I'm going to put that under here so I don't accidentally break it. And kind of push it past. Maneuver the box down in here and get it past the hose. Past that, there's some flex in that. Push this down underneath. Push it past the hose. Watch for these hoses down here. Get this lined up. This does have a keyway in it. It's got a couple of keyways, but if you find the keyway where it fits like that, you can have access to the tightening screw right here. So I'm going to get that lined up, push it in. It'll stop at those stops. Now it's in place. Push the box down so it seats nice. And I'll get one of these started here, and then I'll work on the harder to get to ones. So put this down in here. Use the extension with just the T20 Torx bit on there. Put my ratchet on. Tighten it down. I'm going to go for this harder to get to. Don't forget to tighten this hose clamp if you took it off. And hold it in place so it stays where that keyway is. If you look it tight, I'll stop. Plug the mass air meter back in. Click when the lock's in place and push the red lock in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.